Hello, Howard Elementary School students, families, and staff. It is Principal Jett, and welcome to week 11, the 11th week of school, the week of November 11th through the 15th. Hope that you've enjoyed this long 4-day weekend for you. Teachers had a productive day on Friday, getting ready for instruction and doing a lot of instructional planning and getting ready for parent-teacher conferences that we're going to be talking about here in just a little bit. And that you enjoyed also the Monday Veterans Day and honoring our veterans in service for our country. Well, let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance for this week. Here we go. If you can all stand on up and follow along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks so much, everybody. You may now sit. And as always, of course, we're talking about raising the bar. Every week we talk about how can we improve our behavior, our attendance, and our reading, and we're doing a pretty good job overall. But we can always remember to keep our hands and feet to ourselves, boys and girls. I want you to hear me say this every single week. And we can even pause the video right here and talk about it with your teachers during morning meeting. All classes are having morning meeting every single day, and it's a great time to reinforce the expectations that we need to be kind, we need to be responsible and safe all of the time in all areas of the school. Something you may have noticed is I've been the only one presenting the morning announcements for the last couple of weeks. We've had a lot of busy things happening. Myself and Mrs. Hughes are very busy. It's hard to record the morning announcements. We want to work with students to present them. But if we are having difficulty being safe, responsible, and kind, it's very hard for us to work with students who are doing the right things to record the morning announcements because we're really busy working with other students. We've had other instructional conversations and we're very busy with other aspects of our jobs. But if students are doing the right thing, being safe, responsible, and kind, then we can get back to students presenting the morning announcements. So let's do very well in raising the bar, improving our behavior, our attendance, be here every day, and improving our reading. And as always, we talk about thinking before we speak. That's one of the aspects of improving our behavior. So remember to think, is what you're saying true? Is what you're saying helpful? Is what you're saying inspiring? Is it necessary? And is it kind? We want to use kind words every single day, every moment of every day, on the playground, in the cafeteria, in the hallways, in classrooms, in all areas of the school. All right, we got a PTO meeting this coming week. We've got PTO on the 12th at 6 o'clock in the library. Families, we hope you'll join, come and have conversations and learn how you can get involved and support our school. We'll see you at the library at 6 o'clock here on the 12th. All right, everybody, we've got a very exciting event this week. We're going to be participating in the annual Ruby Bridges Walk to School Day. This is a Safe Routes to School event. This will be on Thursday, November 14th. And it encourages a culture of active transportation and to give our students the chance to celebrate Ruby's courage by walking, biking, or rolling to school. At age 6, Ruby Bridges became the first African American to integrate into an elementary school in the South, and she has been a lifelong civil rights leader ever since. This event provides a great opportunity to teach children about the civil rights movement and to make connections to today's collective efforts for change. Howard students, families, and staff can participate by congregating before 7:15 a.m. at Emerald Park. We will have signs and banners in recognition of Ruby. After learning a little bit about Ruby, we will commence the walk to Howard at 7:15, and we will walk north along Lake Avenue and then turn left on Howard Avenue before arriving at school as the doors open at 7:30. Thanks for helping promote our event that also promotes safe routes to school for all students. We hope you'll attend. And super fittingly, following right after our Ruby Bridges Walk to School Day, our affinity group for the Black Student Union, the BSU, is going to meet at 12 o'clock in room 5 on Friday the 15th, just the day right after the Ruby Bridges Walk. So we'll make an announcement on the PA just a few minutes before, and students can then make their way to room 5 for the BSU meeting at 12 o'clock. See you then. All right, boys and girls, it's getting really cold outside, so you want to make sure to bring your jackets and gloves to school and make sure you take them outside to recess too. If you do take them off, make sure you leave them in a spot where you can remember to pick them up. We don't want them to end up in the lost and found. All clothes are going to be donated at winter break. Let's take a look at the lost and found here, by the way. Here's a picture of the lost and found. There's a lot of clothes here, boys and girls and everybody. We want to make sure that you are not losing your belongings. So let's be putting our names and our tags maybe in the back right up here, a nice permanent marker. That's always very helpful. And be looking through that lost and found because, again, as I said, we are going to donate all of the belongings here. Winter break is not that far away, just a few short weeks away. It's time for parent-teacher conferences. Parent-teacher conferences are starting this next week on the 22nd. We're going to have conferences from 4 to 8 p.m. on Friday, November 22nd, and then again all day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Monday, November 25th. So the signups are now available. There's a link in the description below right here, but we've also sent it out on Parent Square and through Synergy through a system called ptcfast.com. There's also a tutorial video that you can watch. It's just about 4 minutes long. It shows you the whole process on how you can sign up. Families, we're very excited to have you sign up and come and meet with teachers and talk about your students' progress this year and what lies ahead and what we can do to collaborate to ensure their success moving forward. All right, everybody, here's our fun fact for the week. Did you know that in an average lifetime, while you are sleeping, you might eat around 70 assorted insects and about 10 spiders? Ugh. Goodness, that's kind of creepy to think about. While you're sleeping, a little spider, something like that. That's just creepy and gross. And on that note, let's talk about what's for lunch this coming week. Let's see, we've got no school on Monday, and then pasta on Tuesday, tamales on Wednesday, sweet and sour chicken on Thursday, and chicken sandwiches on Friday. Personally, I'm really excited about, you know what? I like a good chicken sandwich right now. It's around lunchtime when I'm recording this, and a chicken sandwich sounds mighty good. And we're just keeping with the food theme here. It is Popcorn Friday this Friday, November 15th. Our PTO, thank you so much to them. They come in and pop all this popcorn. A bag of popcorn is 50 cents. So students, don't forget to bring your money, just a couple of quarters. If you bring $1, you can get 2 bags of popcorn. And of course, we're going to be looking for classes, 3 classes. We usually give out to 3 classes that can get the golden bag of popcorn. If you are all being safe, kind, and responsible, raising the bar, demonstrating what it's like to just be outstanding Howard Roadrunners, you may get the golden bag of popcorn, and then everyone in class gets some free additional popcorn. All right, everybody, be eating that popcorn on Friday. We're very excited to get back to Beep Beep Winners this past week. It's been very busy last couple of weeks, but we had some extra recess for our friends who are being safe, kind, and responsible. We'll be doing another Beep Beep Winner activity this coming Thursday. Keep earning those beep beeps, everybody. Being safe, kind, and responsible. Maybe you'll win. And of course, let's do our check-in for this week. We want to make sure that we're getting into that green zone, that optimal place of learning. We want to be feeling good, positive coming to school, right? Yeah, we might come a little sad. We might be nervous about something that's going on for sure. We might be a little sad. But let's really work really hard and help each other out, build each other up, say positive things to each other, right? We're thinking before we're speaking and we're saying positive things to get everybody into that green zone. And let's take a really nice deep breath in collectively, all right? And of course, you can pause the video and take more breaths if you'd like. Let's breathe on in and breathe out. I'm a little excited myself right now because I'm going to an event here in just a little bit, so I'm trying to calm myself for this. So I need to take another breath. Let's take one together here. And out. That feels good. Let's have a great week. It's only 4 short days this week, and then we have a full week of school next week, and then the week after that, there's no school because of the Thanksgiving week. My goodness. So we only have a few short days left together in November. Let's make them count. And as always, everybody, if no one has told you, and they're right up here for everybody to see, we're so glad you're here. You are doing great. We care about you. Care about you so, so very much. All the adults care about you, boys and girls, more than you know. Oh my goodness. And you can do hard things. You can be resilient. It's important to come to school every day, and even when things are hard, we got to persevere through it. We got to have that grit, right, to say, and buckle down and really say, I can do it. I can do it. We believe in you, and we're so glad you're here. You belong here. You belong at this school so, so very much, and our school is a better place when you are here. So let's all have an amazing week. Let's be safe, kind, and responsible. Not sure how many times I've said this in this video and previous videos. We want to get back to student announcers helping with these morning announcements this coming week so everybody can help by keeping their hands and feet to themselves and making good choices. Thanks so much, everybody. Remember to beep, beep, be your best, and be your reader. And of course, let's all proudly say the Roadrunner Pledge this week. I am a Howard Roadrunner. I am safe, kind, and responsible. I am uniquely me and a part of the Howard family. I make good choices, and I am excited to learn. We are Howard Roadrunners, and today will be a success.